In this tutorial we are going to learn how to post tutor wanted ad as a student or parent in MyFavTutor website via mobile phone browser. First, click onto menu icon at the home page and select Post a new Tutors Wanted ad at the sidebar. You will be led to a page called Post Your Tutor Requirement. Go to What Would You Like to Study section and choose the subjects you would like to study at the subjects drop list. You may choose more than one subjects in this section. If the subjects are not listed here, you may manually key in the name of the subject at Other Subjects text box. Choose the levels of the subject at the class drop list. You may choose more than one levels in this section. Then, select the school that you are studying at the board or university drop list. If you are currently not schooling or taking any courses in an institute, you may skip this part. Go to Where Would You Like to Study section and select the places you would like your tuition to be held at the Place of Tuition section. You may select more than one location in this section. Choose the state of your preferred tuition location at the state drop list before selecting the city at the city drop list. Go to Basic Details section and choose a title you would like to be addressed as at the title drop list. Fill in your first or given name at the first name text box and your last or surname at the last name text box. Next, key in your current and active mobile number at the mobile number text box and re-enter it at Confirm Mobile Number text box. Enter a valid email address at the email address text box and reconfirm it at Confirm Email Address text box. Do make sure that these contact details are correct and active as they will be used for verification purposes. Then, create a password with the minimum of 6 characters at the password text box and key in the same password at the Confirm Password text box. Click onto Submit button and you will be led to a page called Post Your Tutor Preference. Scroll down to your Preferences section and choose either Yes, I have tutor preference that allows you to set up the requirements of your tutor, or No, I do not have any tutor preference that does not need to set up any tutor requirements to post your tutor wanted ad. If you have chosen Yes, I have tutor preference option, you can set your preferred tutor's gender at the gender preferred section and the range of the tutor's age at the age section. Select the tutor's minimum experiences at the experience drop list and your maximum budget per hour at the budget drop list. Choose your preferred tuition time at the preferred time drop list. There is no limitation on this section, but selecting no preference option will remove the rest of the selection chosen previously. Then give a short description on what you are looking for at the Explain About Requirements text box. You are not allowed to add your contacts and personal details in this section. Be aware that you can write up to 500 characters only. Click onto Submit button and you will be led to a page called Mobile Number Verification. Key in the OTP at the Enter OTP sent to above number text box before clicking on to Verify and Continue button. You will be directed to a page called My Profile Setting. If you require any further assistance, you may contact us at +91 62895 27335 or email us at contact@myfavtutor.in.